What's good, man? I'm back at it, y'all. Well, right now, I got my blunt. Don't get me wrong. Got my weed and shit. Don't get me wrong. You know what I'm saying? But right now, I want to test what I got. And I wish I caught me testing it. The number 2 Kalash. Right here. Like I said, it's like a little bit, but it's still doing it. You know what I'm saying? Just a little bit, but at the same time, I just tried it. And I'm getting a good taste off my minion, though. You feel me? It's my minion. And it's touch, you feel me? Yeah, so that was Kalash number 2. I wish I could show you out there. And it was like the first time I hit it, I ain't get no taste. And it wasn't no bad taste either at all. And I'm not lying to you. I'm waiting for it to get his scent and flavor back, really. It wasn't bad. I got a buzz from it. And then I hit it the second time and I had a little small taste. And then it's a scent to this, but it's a small taste I got. But like I said, it's not fully cured yet. So I'm waiting on it. I'm waiting on it. You know what I'm saying? And you can see me twisting up my words like I ain't sparked that blunt. So obviously it's some good weed. And this is the first time I hit this. It was Kalashnikov number 2. I'm not lying. So this is what I wanted to do. Basically, y'all, I wanted to test out every last one of them. This shit is crazy. And I got this. I put these in the freezer. These fresh marijuana leaves. You know what I'm saying? Or I put them in the freezer and I bring them back out. But whenever I feel like one of them is too dry, whatever, I put those in there and get its texture back. You know what I'm saying? Get its moist texture. Scent probably hopefully come. I mean, I believe it comes back and all that. That's what I'm working with it right now. That's what I'm gonna do. This is my idea. It's not my idea, but I'm gonna try it out. That's what I believe in. This one, it's number 1. This was the last one I had to take out, and that was today, actually. Whew. Man, that shit smells so good. It smells good. I'm about to break a piece of butt off. Show y'all what it look like. Yeah, I wish I could. Yeah, why I can't do his own adjustment? Like, that's crazy. But either way, you can see it. You know what I'm saying? Mad crystals on there. You know what I'm saying? And I'm about to just pluck off a piece of this bottle. See? Just to get a little taste out. You know what I'm saying? Break it up. I want to see if it's going to have more like a hay taste. Where my top at? A hay taste? I'm telling you, I'm buzzing. Let me get another piece of bud. See, I'm fucking buzzing. Yo, that's crazy. That's off the Kalash number 2. I'm buzzing, bro. I'm not lying. What? Take this up. Y'all see me breaking it up. Let me test my own shit first. Bro, now you can see the still. I'm about to take that still off. I still got its tech. Woo! 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 I can't wait. Yeah, you can see it. My son. My girl in there. My baby in there. There y'all go. We got to see what it's hitting for. I wonder if it's going to have like a mostly hay taste. Cover my baby's back up though. Cover him back up before I do that. Yeah, I'm back. What's good, y'all? Like I was saying. I had to go put my little bag. I get in the bottom and all that real quick. But either way, just want to show y'all. This is Kalash number 1. Woo!
So it's not like it's got this feeling there. It's so great. It's the only one that there's like a tiny bit of the branches that is complex and really like it's got fruit and it's got feet. This
Again, it don't got
very unique greatness to it, where it's not just a generic fruitiness to it, and it's like flattening it. All the nuts are off apart. This one, and all the other branches are so complex.
It's another one.
Really glad that it's
Gotta wait. Like I said, it's not fully cured. Like,
and we basically reap what we've sowed, and we sowed some really good genetics in here over the
this
last,
is only day 2 of them being a dry.
we've seen
Or even day 1 if you want to say that. But either way, the scent is there. You got the scent. First said I ain't getting no taste. There wasn't no harsh taste either.
I think the first time you harvest, it has a different feeling. Maybe even the first 3 times. It's this excitable feeling that's almost undeniably invigorating. It's like Christmas morning at harvest, and you can't look. You're almost like, I can't wait.
You get like a little small taste. Like,
Unfortunately, after about
I just can't wait.
once a billion, you're like, I
They gonna get their taste back. They taste it all that gonna come.
sometimes you see a lot
Can't wait. It's not like a harsh taste, bad taste at all. I don't taste that.
That's simple.
I don't gonna taste hay taste.
I just have all these flavors and enough to share with
But I get a buzz. It's a good high.
Same thing when you grow food. Most of the people that are on vegetable garden always bringing gifts to their friends because it's very unique. They just go buy it at the store.
Yeah,
You're
too.
bringing over eggs and tomatoes and lettuce and cucumbers and things that are abundant in your garden that for someone who does not grow is very unique and very special. When you bring flowers from your own harvest, you nurtured all the way to
No, it's good.
so I just wanted to take a moment to reflect on that.
Woo.
Harvest, how much work and time went into this. So on this quadrant, we have a
That was class number 1.
we have a little scenario to harvest one first plant in my opinion. I showed you why. It's got the candelabra effect. You keep more moisture in the stalk.
It's not bad at all. I can't wait for the taste to come out more.
Right now, you wet trim it. You get the nubs and you
And the smell. You can smell that. Definitely got a scent to it. Yeah, let me get y'all a better bud. Something that probably can see.
So if you can avoid that, it changes everything, and when you top shelf, everybody will compliment you if you
It is
slow the
crisp.
drying process down significantly.
Man,
And we
crisp.
do that by doing full plant drying.
It's cloudy ones too. It's not just, there ain't no premature one, you know, all that shit. And they got amber to it too.
This step,
Kalash 3. This one right here,
because I'm breaking my rule of the whole plant.
I've been sitting here letting it out more. Because this is like more, it's not like a sponge feeling, but it's like a, it's soft. You got a scent coming to it. I've been leaving it out sometimes to get some air, and then I close it up. And like I said, I got these if I have to refresh them. And I'm about to do that to the second one. And watch, I'm gonna show you when I put it in there. I'm gonna give it about like probably like a half hour to an hour, 2 hours, depends. And you'll see how it just start to soften up. It's getting its texture back. And I'd rather feel it getting the texture from the marijuana leaves, period, than anything else than lettuce or whatever. So yeah, this one definitely got a scent to it. So I'm gonna take a good one.
Now these ones didn't really stretch all the way through. This was the smallest.
I took this one at the bottom.
Even though it lacked a little bit of
And it got a smell. Definitely got a smell.
really good personal smell.
Especially when you touch on the buds, you get sticky, and you get a scent. So,
The way we would do that is by giving them a little bit more veg time.
ooh, just me holding it, me just hold. God damn, me just holding it like this. Not bad, but it's not too sticky at all, really. But yeah, it's like it's soft and it's like kind of sponged out. So because I feel like I could push it down more and sponge it out. I feel like so that's why I set it in the air a little bit. And I got the AC running. It's about 70 to 65. You know what I'm saying? Around that area. 65 to 70, I swear. So boom, that's the type of texture you want, and that's it. So we're gonna try this out real quick. This is number 3. And like I said, it's sponged out a little bit, fluff, but it got a taste. It got all that to it. And when it's sponged out, this basically means it might not smoke like it's supposed to. Basically, if you roll it up, it's sticky. See, it's definitely sticky. So once this dry out a little bit more, like I said, I want to let the air hit it. Give it like 15 minutes. Let the air hit it. Close the jar. You know what I'm saying? Let it go ahead and get its air. But I do that frequently with this one because it's sponged out, and I don't want it sponged. That could create mold. And I just be watching my shit. That's all. So we're gonna try this. I mean, this is another Kalash number 3, so that's the same one. I don't think I'm gonna try this again. I really got 4 jars. The most was only number 3. Only like it's crazy, but it's not as bad. I'm not really upset about it. That's how I feel. Yeah, it tastes. I don't know. Hold on. Excuse me. Like I said, it tastes like really. Right now, they just too early. But it's not bad. We get a small taste, but like I said, the high is there. I'm high. I'm just trying to give you guys a taste now. I was high off the first one, the class number 2. So I just decided to give y'all a taste of everyone. And like I said, they all got their tastes, it's not as much. But you don't get the hate taste either. So at the same time, while they care, they're just gonna get stronger. Potent is gonna get stronger, and the taste gonna get stronger. The smell gonna get stronger. So that's all it is. I'm carrying it up right now. Like I said, you get a small taste of everything and what they taste like, though. It's not a lie. Kalash is like, I don't know, because that plant really, when it grew, it's that, what was the second short one that was in the front? Wait, excuse me, my nose running and all that shit. Let's blow my nose. So you know when it's going to go weed and shit like that. Your nose running? What the fuck my nose running for? Show you. We're just going to get his taste back. And that's that. Get his taste, flavor, and it's potent. It's going to be more potent. Texture's there. It's going to get his texture back. You know what I'm saying? So that's just going to be off the chain. But like I was saying, for the second Kalashnikov, that plant was that short one that I stunned it twice. Like I think I stunned it to grow because I had a booger. I stunned it to grow. I think I did because I transplanted twice. You know what I'm saying? So and I broke the root one the first time. first try I did it. But yeah. It still grew out, did what it could do. I'm not from. I could have actually waited for a little bit longer. I even thought about waiting one more week. You know what I'm saying? That was my mistake too, because I looked at it, it said 8 to 9 weeks. And I thought it was 8 weeks. But it said 8 to 9 weeks all of a sudden. And that was the last minute when I did it. So, it is what it is though. I ain't worried about it. I'm proud of my shit. I like them. And they all get you high. They good and they gonna get the taste back. And they smell is just, man, I can't wait. That's all it is. I'm not gonna keep smoking on it though, because I'm not gonna smoke it too much. That's a fact. But I'm already buzzing from that shit. I'm high. I'm not gonna lie, no taste. It's like you get the taste of theirs, you don't get the head taste. I don't got no headache. Not like that. I had to crack my neck. I ain't gonna crack. But this is my mutant. I swear I feel like I got a book in my nose. It's Chinese shit right there. But either way, this is my mutant, number 4. And this smell right here, smell like some skunkies. Like I said, like this is supposed to be some fire. And you know what? And I kind of wish I did have their own size, but my tent wasn't too big, and I didn't want them in the 3-gallon. I should have did that, but I'm doing it this time. This time I only got the purple green paint. I didn't even get my autos yet, so I'm not gonna worry about that. I'm about to let that baby girl go ahead and do her thing. Hopefully it's a girl, because it came out of the bag. But at the same time, like I said, if a male pollinated female, that's just nothing but seeds. You ain't gonna be able to smoke. Or if it's another female that pollinated female, you'll get female seeds, but you'll still be able to smoke that plant. Or that plant could have been a hermaphrodite. You can still be able to smoke the plant, but it just pop up with a seed or something. And that's what my pride was. We want to see what this shit is about. So, they got his own. I'm gonna have it in this 3 little, I think that was a 2-gallon, or 1 gallon. 1 or 2 gallon, whatever. But I'm gonna have it in that right there. Gotta grow out. Make sure it grow out to the point I can see the roots around. You know what I'm saying? I know it did that. It did. You know, low stress, high stress, you know what I'm saying? Super crop probably if I have to, because I know they get certain big. They're supposed to get like 6 or 7 feet tall. So I'm what? See that ass, watch me work. Well, hopefully everything will go good. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. And I'm gonna have it, I'm gonna transplant it to this 7-gallon. Let it do its own thing. Point blank period. Until I get my autos real quick, and those drinks will be ready. If anything, I'm supposed to be ready. I can start my autos in some other way. You know what I'm saying? You necessarily don't really need that much light, so I could do the same thing to them, on and off or whatever the case. If I have to do that to the plant, so autos work with the females, it seems like. So boom, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, this is. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I will do the other number 3. We're gonna do the other 3. Just to be some. Just be on some humbug. Oh man. That smell just smoke. I don't know what it smells like. I'm trying to get the smell. Well, let's try to find a tip. Part. There's a tip that's, you know, like a cola piece. It's always, you know, hopefully better. Nah, they all like that. Nah, that's what I'm saying. Like this. That's why I air it out more. But they said put it in a brown bag, paper bag, period. Regardless, I don't know if I want to do that. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and try it out just to be on something. I'm gonna sprinkle some in here. I'll probably measure it out, but this is such a small amount. This is an extract because it's really far. So I'm gonna add just a sprinkle Damn.
You see the texture? It's like little beads. It goes in the solution. It's super easy. And it has a soapiness to the water. It also helps everything mix in the water.
No, like I say, when you squeeze it, like this is, you smell it. This, you definitely got the smell and all that. What am I doing? Let me go ahead. This one.
First time to use, I'm using 1 gallon per minute nozzle. When you have one of these sprayers that indicate on the side, I'm just using the biggest one and spraying it a little bit faster. When I pull your spray, I'll use the smaller nozzle. This makes it really nice because of evenly applying moisture. That's why I like watering slowly the first time.
I'm gonna dump that one out, though. Hold up.
Big fan of the whole bag.
Fresh dude.
I'm just going to sit here for 3 minutes.
Like I said, yes.
Reason being,
It's
if
not
you watch
bad.
the previous video, we made about 70 gallons.
It's crazy because
And I like to water about
you get to smell all this in there. And it's very sticky as hell. That's another thing. That's what I said. I try to go ahead and air it out, keep the air out. You know what I'm saying? I might even do it for like 20 minutes.
So it's going to make it really easy to just unload all this.
That's
Now,
it.
you want to mention one spray. I'm going to do the same thing these 10 gallons over here in part 2. Even though they're just 10 gallon containers, I'm going to be adding moisture, just like I'm doing now, 5%.
It definitely a taste. Yeah, you'll get a taste.
Even if you have a smaller ecosystem, doesn't mean that you can't do the whole thing. Same in our 1 gallon. These really healthy plants that have cover crops that have mulch. And the mulch that I'm using is an organic straw that's been pre-pasteurized and then they do mushroom on it. So it's full of mycelium.
I don't know.
You don't have to use
I
pasteurized straw.
don't know what it is. We just gotta have to wait, boy.
We offer regular straw mulch. People have used it for years, but you'll get seeds germinating in it. And so this is our preferred method. Keep it going here. Remember the pump one talking? This could be a little seeding. We talked about it in the first video we made soil. It looks like I'm putting a ton of water on here. But if I show you on camera right now, even though it's sprayed probably a gallon,
I don't know. You gotta wait. I gotta let them air out more.
centimeter under.
And the way I'm gonna let them air out is in a brown paper bag or something.
But it's really dispersing the moisture from running straight through. I don't want to just put a gallon on and watch it.
What if I put a paper towel inside it and screw it on?
And that's why I'm going to put this whole pan in here until it's nice and moist.
When I dry out the air a little bit, I'm gonna try that. It ain't got no scent to it, so it's not gonna make it taste plain, nothing. I don't think it will. See, I got a taste out of that, but I don't know what it is. They say you get, it's like a lemon, sweet honey, something like that. Some type of taste like that. Earthy, pungent, fruity. I be seeing different shit that I say, but that's what it is. You can't really get my taste on it. You gotta wait.
So I'm going to throw the surface, make it into my fingers, cover it with a straw, let it down one more time. That last bit of moisture is going to glue the seed, the straw, and the
This is
soil
not
together,
bad.
keeping it all in. I'm probably still going to walk through the
It's just not bad at all. It's just got the rich kid. Shit. Alright. 24 fucking minutes. Damn.
So let's get started. I'll pick up the top.
You want me to tell you something though?
Measure this out. I want to remind you
Cloud
that
chasing, you know what I'm doing. You want me to tell you something though? Well, I think it will taste the most. I just gotta try it again. Number one, my meat. I ain't gonna try that yet. Number one. So I'm gonna try number one more time. Damn, excuse my finger. Damn! See what I'm saying, man? I be chilling. Where my baby wife?
That's it. Way more than that. That's going to allow a little bit of taste. And now I'm going to separate the covering up with the straw. And this is creating that ecosystem. The straw is actually going to help. real soil. This is a rock. It's not an obsidian rock puffed up like a popcorn. The reason why other industries use fluoride is super light air. But it's easy to ship. It's cost effective. The thing
Like I
is,
said,
keep this
no
soil
headache, no
out.
nothing.
Throwing it
He might
away.
get hungry as hell.
They throw it close.
Yeah, I got no sleep. I'm so bad, yeah, I got no sleep. That shit.
You don't want to throw the soil away. You want to keep it
Number 4.
It's mulch. Full of fungus.
Number 4.
It smells good. It's nice and moist. I'm gonna put it all in here. And then what I'm gonna do is this.
Ah,
I'm gonna take some of this out.
like I said, it smell right now before you taste it. That probably cut back. My goodness. What the fuck? I wish somebody was here to go ahead and I should have called my cousin. Somebody could have came in and
because as we grow plants, we're going to take nutrients. But as long
there
as
you
we're
go.
continually adding factors, whether it's to the mulch layer,
I'm not sure you really look that.
new available nutrients into the system. That's part of the balance.
It's my music.
100%
This frosty too.
the second your plant
I wish I could show
is no
y'all.
longer balanced. So the only way to have a balanced soil is to constantly have something that's added to the system at the same rate that you're taking from it. Now, I don't want you to do like rocket science and all this math. So all we have to do is create a mulch layer and worms in this natural system.
Try it.
Nature will do the rest.
You can
Figure
see
this
it.
all out. You don't have to be perfect. I'm constantly reminded of that. And I read Masanobu Fukuoka on
that.
and this really brings it home. When you read that book, I mean, it changes the whole game of how you think. You know, you soil
Hopefully
testing,
this got a good taste to it.
he was a scientist, and he learned a lot about natural processes,
You know what I'm saying?
and he went to a
Nice.
system like this, in a very basic system. Very
I'm
much
glad, yo.
But we're going to do yours. Now, this is way too much straw for here, and I want to remind you of that. But I'm going to take some of it and it's come down, so I'm going to break it up. And we're going to get all basic here. So if you
This is a little
I
experiment.
want to show you how to
And this one won't break. It won't break up too bad. And it definitely got scent. See? Break it up. Not as bad at all. I don't get that much trouble, so it might. This could probably be a little bit smokable. They all are smokable. I think I tried the first time I tried it. I think I can tell y'all. Yeah, I think it was number 3. I smoked this one. Number 3. This was. I did this one. I haven't smoked the meaty. I did the meaty first. This one second. I did this.
I love these. Very cool. Some people buy them.